Well, here's another week, 52 Weeks of Adventure. Up here at Crystal, I'm meeting up with my buddy Thomas and his roommates. It's a bluebird day, sunglasses are on, and there's probably 8 inches of fresh snow from last night. Don't really get this much or this kind of conditions in the Northwest very often, and we're gonna make the best of it. It's gonna be pretty freaking sweet, I think. They're talking, it's like 18 degrees at the base right now, so you can only imagine how cold it was last night. But yeah, let's get all my stuff on and head up. Well, I'm on Queens right now. Gonna do a warm-up lap and then wait in the line for chair 6. Get first turns down chair 6. It's gonna be wild. It's so freaking nice out here. It's actually insane. Chair 6 the first time today. It looks absolutely insane. Fresh tracks and endless amounts of powder. It's gonna be a rad day. Can't wait till Thomas and his boys come. Well, first run down chair 6 was an absolute banger. It was insane. Going back up right now. Well, I just found Thomas and the boys. They're coming up right now, and we're gonna hit Powder Bowl and then go over to Northway. This view's insane. Good, how are you, bud? Andrew, nice to meet you. Well, in typical Crystal fashion, the lift is broken and we're all stuck over here in Northway. It's not looking good. Look at this line. Dude, look at this line right now. Well, finally back on the lift. It got back up and running, and I think we're gonna go try and hit employee housing, which is one of like the best runs on the entire mountain, which is gonna be pretty freaking sweet. Take us all the way down to the bottom, and yeah, it's a beautiful day. Looks like shit. Well, that's the end of my 52 Weeks of Adventure video for this week. It was really rad skiing with Thomas and his friends and being able to ski some new stuff on the mountain that I haven't skied before. Chair 6 this morning was unbelievable, but the sun's kind of hit the snow and it made it a little tacky, so I'm actually gonna go home, do some homework, get my work done, and hopefully ski. I think I'm skiing on Sunday with with Adrian. So that'll be another video. So yeah, if you want to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more content, 52 Weeks of Adventure, that'd be awesome. I'd really appreciate it. And I guess all there else is to say is I'll see you guys on the trails and I'll catch you on the next one.